Rongmei, Sing Sing Rongmei. This is a brief synopsis of the Rongmei traditional attire represented by Rongmei Film Forum. Rongmei traditional attire, a masterpiece, meticulously woven in perfect rhythm, with a nature proudly depicting the past and its glory. The first presentation showcased a full combat gear adorned by warrior in war field, while defending the land, properties, and integrity of the tribesmen. The beautiful lady adorned with colorful patterns and items is an embodiment of the various elements closely associated with the natures which is normally worn while performing a dance, with each step systematically prepared to collaborate the patterns during festivals. The third representation showcases the normal body wear worn by men of the Rongmei tribe at home and work. As Lui-Ngai-Ni 2025 is celebrated with the theme celebrating Naga cultural fusion, the couple present the fusion of our past and present, with certain elements interwoven or blended in perfect connotation with the contemporary modern culture we have consciously embraced while keeping the values of the past intact. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the modelers here are from the Rongmei Film Forum.
Ban suy là na khát lệ khát ta giải thô na tâm đi khô giải thô na tâm đi khô.
Thank you. That was the Rongmei Naga tribe, ladies and gentlemen.